Right now we're going to take a trip through a property located at 2415 Valencia Crest. This is off Highway 211 off of Petrenko Road. You can also get here off of 90. Subdivision is Ladero Enclave. This is in the 78245 zip code. 3-bedroom, 2-bath in the Medina ISD. It's a really nice, open, bright property. We'll turn around here and get a look at the entry. Nice tall entry. This house was built in 2017. Approximate square footage 1,979. Right now we're looking at the office up front, off the entryway. Most of this house is going to be ceramic tile in the bedrooms. Living area is going to be carpet. Laundry room, good sized laundry room. Plenty of shelves for storage. Before we get to that space, we're going to look right over here to the right. Got a little entryway even off of the garage, which is a 2-car garage with garage remotes. You can stop right here and drop your shoes off if you like. Most people like to do that. Nice bright white kitchen. Has an island here. Plenty of countertop space. Cabinets for storage. The white kitchens are what they're building today. Like I said, this house was built in 2017. This house, the lights are really bright. There's plenty of windows. So it's a really bright, open house. Tall ceilings. Here we go into the living area. Nice big living area as well. Let's swing back here and take a look all the way up to the front. Nice big open floor plan. Plenty of living space. We're going to go through this hallway. This is going to take us to the second bathroom up here, as well as 2 bedrooms up front. These 2 bedrooms are fairly identical. Their sizes are approximately 11 by 12. Walk in here and take a look. And both these bedrooms are carpeted. Now back to the dining area, living area in the back. We're going to have the master bedroom, approximate size 16 by 16. Does have the fan in this one. Pretty good size for a master. As you can see, that's a pretty big bed and there's still plenty of space left over. Let's walk around over here. And into the master bath. As you can see, there's a shower and a tub. Toilet has its own space. Does have a nice walk-in closet here. Spin around here. Double vanities. And your choice of a shower or a bath. Nice big garden tub. Tile throughout this bathroom. Finally, we're going to go out back. Once again, this house is located at 2415 Valencia Crest. That's on Highway 211, right between Petrenko Road and Highway 90. In Ladero Enclave subdivision. In this subdivision, there's a playground. Nice big porch out here. As you can see, it's big enough for a table. And it's pretty well covered here. You don't get much sunshine over here, but you get a nice breeze. So that'll be nice for the evening. Sometimes it's hot here, sometimes it's cool, depending on time of day. Step out here into the backyard. 2415 Valencia Crest. If you want some more information, you want to view the property, you can visit Liberty Management at 7217 Bandera Road. or you can call them. 210-681-8080 is their phone number. You can also call Realtor Mark Fee. He has quite a bit of information about this property. 210-618-9161 is his phone number. 2415 Valencia Crest in Ladera subdivision. Excuse me, Ladera Enclave subdivision. Zip code 78245. Thank you for watching.